It all began not with a game, but with education. In 1989, David Baszucki created interactive physics, a simulator where simple blocks collided on grey monitors, laying the foundation for the future. This physics engine brought the first big success. In '99, David sold his company for $20 million. Now he had the resources to build something much larger. The search for identity continued in 2003 with the registration of the domains Roblox and Dynablocks. The world didn't know yet that these blocks would soon become a legend named Roblox. The official start took place in 2004. The domain roblox.com was purchased and the trademark was registered. Chaotic ideas finally took the form of a business. In a vacant digital world, the first inhabitants appeared. The admin and QA accounts led the list, followed by the creators themselves, David and Erik. November brought the first gameplay, a stickman on a skateboard. Back then, games were created directly in the browser, and the physics of character control was just a dream. In 2005, Roblox moved into the beta testing phase. The first contests were held, like Steer the Spheres, where players competed in agility. At that same time, the face drawn personally by Baszucki became the official look for all avatars, and the first concept arts for blocky limbs appeared. By September 2006, the platform was officially launched. Registration opened to everyone, and the legendary Builderman became the guide for thousands of new players. This is how multiplayer was born. The Crossroads map became the field for the first battles, where players finally interacted with each other in real time. In 2007, the economy was introduced, Robux and Tix tickets. It was now a living world where you could buy your first hat or create your own t-shirt. For the most dedicated, the Builders Club was created. Golden avatars and paid subscriptions turned creativity into a way to earn prestige and profit. Popularity exploded in 2008. Ultimate Paintball became the first place to hit 1 million visits. But in 2013, the community stood still. Co-founder Erik Cassel passed away. In memory of the creator, players around the world wore his grey hat. 2016 brought radical changes. The beloved free currency, Tix, was removed, sparking protests, while the classic blocky characters were replaced by the new, flexible R15 avatars. In 2022, after long legal battles, the legendary "Oof" death sound was removed, forever changing the old-school atmosphere of the game. Modernity brings new challenges. In 2023, the Hyperion anti-cheat was introduced, ending support for older systems. December 2025 brought a heavy blow. The Russian authorities blocked the platform, raising a wall of censorship. To try and lift the ban, Roblox temporarily disabled chats and voice communication for the region. January 2026, mass bans for using VPNs and a global drop in players by